What is up, party people? Welcome back to America, specifically Binghamton, New York. We're here in Binghamton for one night only, and most of our schedule for the next 3 weeks is a lot of one-nighters, so get ready for a lot of videos. Binghamton's home to 3 different satellite campuses for universities. The downtown campus of Binghamton University. That's a little confusing to me that there's a downtown campus in Binghamton for Binghamton University. But that's what I'm reading on Wikipedia. Wikipedia doesn't have any factual errors. It's also home to the clinical campus of State University of New York Upstate Medical University. What? Who named that? And Empire State College. Whew, there's some crazy schools here. Binghamton's got a pretty cool downtown. It's got some local shops you should check out and some local restaurants. Me and Daryl went to Hots. I forgot to get footage of it. It was good food though. Here in Binghamton, we played the Forum Theater, also known as the Broome County Forum Theater. And while I was walking there, I tripped, and it was hilarious. I guess you could say a funny thing happened on the way to the Forum. The Forum Theater was built in 1919 and seats just about 1,500. Carlina had to call out, so we did a modified show where Zoe went on for the role of young groupie. Carlina's actually in final callbacks for the Rent National Tour, so maybe you'll see her there. Crossies. Break legs, Carlina. It's always hard to explore these cities when we're only here for one night, but from what I saw of Binghamton, I enjoyed it, and I'm glad that we came here. Next stop, Rochester, New York. Thanks so much for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.